Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your Robinhood account is verified with a clear identity match and steady activity. Once done, subscribe to Robinhood Gold if that subscription is tied to access. Pay attention to the $5/month fee and meet any $2,000 margin or balance thresholds. You should also update your SSN, address, phone, employment, and link a funding bank with recent deposits. Doing these first steps establishes the trust signals issuers look. You now move into the application. Open the card request inside the Robinhood app under Rewards or Card Settings and start the form. Provide precise income, employment, and tax document details. Incorrect numbers slow approvals. When the app asks, authorize the credit check. Know it may be a soft or hard pull depending on stage. Make sure to upload any requested ID or proof of income immediately. Once submitted, watch the in-app status and your email for next steps so approval isn't delayed. You finish by activating the card in the app, setting any PINs, and confirming micro-deposits or verification steps before spending. If you get denied, request the specific reason, correct any inaccurate data, increase account balances or settle issues, and wait the recommended 30 to 90 days before reapplying. This reduces repeated hard pulls. Make sure to pay on time and use the card responsibly to build credit history. Doing so improves your chances for upgrades or higher limits in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.